Okay, in order to send a file from your Dropbox to an individual, the easiest way to do is send it via link. So you'll go to your Dropbox homepage. Make sure you're in all files. Select a file that you want to send. Let's just take this one. You'll see something that says link. It'll tell you getting link. So it's copied to your clipboard. Then you just go over to your Outlook or your mail carrier, hit paste, hit the enter key, and then send this link to the person that you want to receive it, and they should be able to open up the file. And that is the easiest way to send something via Dropbox. There you see the person clicks it on, and voila, the image is there. All right.